Mi 10 vs OnePlus 7T, price in India, specifications compared. Mi 10 on Friday made its India debut with impressive specifications and a price tag to match. The new flagship phone is a part of the Mi 10 series that includes the Mi 10 Pro, Mi 10 Lite, and Mi 10 Lite Zoom Edition. Apart from the Mi 10, none of the other Mi 10 series phones have been launched in India. The Mi 10 is powered by Snapdragon 865 SoC and comes with 8GB of RAM. There are two color options for the Mi 10. In comparison, the OnePlus 7T, that also comes with impressive specifications, stands as a competitor against the Mi 10 when it comes to value for money. So, let's compare the two phones to see how similar or different they actually are. Mi 10 vs OnePlus 7T, price in India. The Mi 10 5G by Xiaomi is available in two storage options, 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB. The 128GB variant is priced at Rs. 49,999, while the 256GB option is priced at Rs. 54,999. Both variants will be offered in coral green and twilight gray color options. Xiaomi has not announced the sale date for the Mi 10 as of yet. In comparison, the OnePlus 7T also comes in the same RAM and storage configurations as the Mi 10. The 8GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs. 34,999, while the 8GB plus 256GB variant is priced at Rs. 37,990. The OnePlus 7T, that was launched in September last year, is quite a lot cheaper than the Mi 10. Mi 10 vs OnePlus 7T, specifications. The dual SIM Nano Xiaomi Mi 10 runs Maya 11, based on Android 10, while the OnePlus 7T runs Exynos, based on Android 10. The Mi 10 comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2340 pixels third curved D3 AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 19.59 aspect ratio. The OnePlus 7T has a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2400 pixels Fluid AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the Mi 10 is powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC, while the OnePlus 7T is powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC. Both the Mi 10 and OnePlus 7T come with 8GB of RAM, but the former has LPDDR5 while the latter sports LPDDR4X RAM. For taking photos and videos, the Mi 10 has a quad rear camera setup that includes a 108-megapixel primary sensor with a 7-piece lens and optical image stabilization (OIS). A 13-megapixel sensor with a wide-angle f2.4 lens that has a 123-degree field of view, and two 2-megapixel cameras with f2.4 lenses. On the front is a 20-megapixel camera sensor, housed in the hole punch cutout located in the top left corner of the screen. The OnePlus 7T, on the other hand, has three cameras on the back including a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 primary sensor with an f1.6 lens, a 16-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 lens, and a 12-megapixel sensor with a telephoto f2.2 lens. For selfies, you get a 16-megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor with f2.0 lens, housed in a notch. Both the Mi 10 and the OnePlus 7T come with 128GB and 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage, and neither of them is expandable. For connectivity, the Mi 10 has 5 grams support, 4 grams LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port for charging. Connectivity options on the OnePlus 7T include Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 of eGNAC, Wi-Fi 5, 4 grams LTE, GPS, Bluetooth V5.0, NFC, and a USB Type-C port for charging. Both phones have in-display fingerprint sensors. The Xiaomi phone has a 4780 mAh battery with support for 30 watts fast wired and wireless charging as well as 10 watts reverse wireless charging. On the other hand, the OnePlus 7T comes with a 3800 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging. The OnePlus 7T lacks wireless charging. The Mi 10 measures 162.60 x 74.80 x 8.96 mm and weighs 208 grams, while the OnePlus 7T measures 160.94 x 74.44 x 8.13 mm and weighs 190 grams. Thanks for watching this video. You are loved at this video. Click thumbs up button, share this video your friends and family. Any doubt, comment.